Let's practice solving and setting up ratios using a chart of information. First off, a ratio can be written a couple of different ways. It can be written as a fraction, like I have here in example 1, using the word 2, like I have here in example 2, and using a colon, like I have here in example 3. And so for each situation, we have a comparison. And so what number 1 says to do is compare basketball versus running. And I want to do that in fraction form. And so if I just plug in the hours for basketball versus running, have a calculator ready, or know that 16 and 14 are both even, which means they can be divided by 2. And so now there's a comparison. There's a ratio, a relationship between the hours I play basketball and the hours that I run. And that simplifies into 8/7. Now let's look at number 2. Swimming to the total. Swim for 12 hours, the total is 50. I can still make a fraction using the word 2. Swim is worth 12. Total is worth 50. So if you see a statement that says 12 to 50, really what we're going to do is set up a fraction, 12 divided by 50. Again, having a calculator is useful, or you can know that 12 and 50 are divisible by 2. And so this simplifies into 6/25, which I could also write down using the word 2. So swimming is 6 hours to 25 total hours. That is a ratio. The last one's a colon. Bike hours, basketball hours. Bike hours is worth 8. So this would be 8 to 16. Again, I can make a fraction to simplify if I wanted to. And then also realizing that 8 and 16 have a relationship, that's going to simplify to 1/2. So then I can come back to the colon and say 1 hour of bike to every 2 hours of basketball. Having a chart is a nice situation where you can make these ratios. Ratios are just a comparison. Fractions, using the word 2, or using a colon.